watch me elevate.
This is going to be fun and scary. What is up guys? My name is Kurt and today we are playing the Boiled One. That's right, the Boiled One. Kung hindi niyo alam yung Boiled One, dapat makasurvive ka dito ng 10 days or 10 nights para ma-end yung game. Okay, and to be honest, by looking at the menu, natatakot na ako. Tignan mo naman yung mukha nito. Grabe. Napaka-stig, tsaka napaka-frightening talaga. And disturbing. Okay, and without further ado, here we go. Ito na. Night 1. Hindi siya pang Five Nights at Freddy's okay? Hindi siya Five Nights at Freddy's. And kakagising na pala natin. Someone else seems to be knocking at the door. You better check it out. Okay. Eto na! Si Shish! Nakalang-knocking ka ba? Wala naman dito. Ay, buti ka! Just by that, gusto ko na suntukin yung mumukha mo. Okay. Good evening, my child. I sense a dark presence in your home. Do you feel it too? Yes! Dahil sa'yo, na-feel ko na. Yes, I feel it. Fear not. Recite Psalm 91:10 and keep your faith strong. The Lord's protection will guide you through these dark times. Thank you. Thank you, Father. I will do as you say. May the Lord be with you. Remember your faith is your shield. I'll be... Bastos, no? Hindi ko pa natapos yung sentence mo eh. Wait ka. Grabe, nakita mo yung mata yun? Sinaniban ba yun? Grabe. Okay, this is our house and grabe, nice, not gonna lie, ang ganda ng graphics na to. Medyo malabo lang, mukha tayo na sa CCTV eh. Yung point of view natin eh. Look at that. Ay na. Oh God. Guys, wala siya. I had a bad feeling with this. Oh, may rocking chair dito. Wait lang Tayo lang ba mag-isa dito? Ano ba tayo? Babae or lalaki? Babysitter ba tayo? Wala naman tayong babysit dito Bahay ba natin to? Yan lang yung tanong ko eh. Akit bahay ba tayo? It's 4 AM. Almost there. Hanggang 6 AM to eh. Pwede ako tumayo dito. Wait lang Catch lang ako. Sarap sa pakiramdam. Nailabas mo na yung evac mo. Grabe. 3 araw na ako hindi tumatae.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Pwede ba tayo lumabas? Nope. And it's night 2. May ominous music. That's not good. Yeah, kakagising ko lang. Another one? Really? Yung pahay na naman to. Ay, buti ka! God damn it! Food! Please give me something to eat! I've seen you in the streets before. I'll give you some food. Okay. I'll give you some food. Teka, huwag mo lang akong gulatin. Okay? Thank you. I'm so hungry. Thank you, kind one. I will never forget. Bastos din to Hindi ko pa natatapos yung sentence mo Wait. There's the TV. Baka makikita na naman natin to yung nakasilip dito eh. No one? Okay. I guess hindi siya dumalaw ngayon. Nothing scary about this game. Nothing scary about this game, okay? Nothing scary about this game. Naka-earphones ako. Narinig niyo yun? Bro. Tumatayo na yung mga balahibo ko, guys. I think I have a bad feeling about this game. Putik. Hey, may baby pala tayo dito. Tayo ba yung tatay? Lalaki tayo eh. Yung wake up natin kanina, lalaki. Mukhang dinala ng mama yung baby. Okay. Mukha tayong divorced husband dito ah. Tayo lang mag-isa. Nasaan na yung bebe ko, ha? Dalawa pala yung CR natin dito. At hindi natin makita yung reflection natin sa salamin. Wow, multo ba tayo? Hindi. Tao tayo dito. Hindi pa tayo patay. Sus! Wala tayong kapitbahay. Ano to, Minecraft? Hello, meron tayong safe. Uy, kailangan natin ng code. Okay. Kailangan natin ng code, guys. Narinig ko yun. Gagi. Kinakabahan ako. So, to be honest, pwede pa tayo magtago dito. Man, this is a very scary game, sabi daw nila. To be honest, hindi ko pa nakikita yung ending na ito. At curious ako, anong ending na ito. Daming natin CR dito. Gabi. Okay. Night 3. Gagi, dahil sa hikab mo naantok na ako. Another one. Okay, nandito na ako. 6 pesos lang yellow. O ano? Okay, ikaw na naman. Ano yung kailangan mo? Good evening again, my child. Have you noticed any changes since our last meeting? Yes, may nakikita akong ano. Tao ba yun o halimaw? Alien yun eh. E.T. ata yun. Yes, things are getting worse. Yes, fear as much, but no harm will overtake you. No disaster will come near your tent. The power of faith is strong, child. Is there anything else I can do? Thanks you. Please, I'll keep praying. Okay, you better pray, guys. Okay, you better pray na protektahan kayo. Never look evil in the eye. Ayun na naman tayo. Hindi ko talaga natatapos yung last sentences nyo. Putik. Ano yun? TV? Gagi. Huwag nyo akong gulatin. Naka-max volume ako dito. Naka-earphones pa ako. Okay, wala na naman siya dito. Gagi. Nakakatakot na, guys. Okay na, mabangi pa ako dito eh. Dapat ngayon, nalawin ko yung Slender Day 8 pages kaso hindi ko natapos eh. Dead tuloy ako. So, ito na yung nilaw ko. Sayang.
Oh, hell no!
Anak ka ng... Sino yung dadaan? It's 3 a.m. Napapakita siya tuwing 3 a.m. That's very fitting for a ghost. Kasi alam niyo na yung mga kaluluwa. Papakita sila ng 3 a.m. Ay, puti kayo na naman siya! Stalker ba to? Susumbok kita sa police eh. Ghost police pa. Kung nakita niyo na yung reaction ko, mapapatawa lang kayo. What the fuck? To be honest, tutulog na ako. Matutulog na ako. Good night guys. Matutulog na ako. Guys. Ayoko na. Tutulog na ako. Ayoko na. Uy, bilisan mo. Kailangan ko na magkumot. Bilis. Ayoko na. It's 5 a.m. What is this keycard? Wow, ang ganda pala ng closet natin, no? Night 4. To be honest, nervyoso na ako dito, guys. It's night 4. May bang kumakatok dito? Guess nothing in here. Pwede ba tayo manood? Naka-smart TV tayo eh. Sana all naka-smart TV. Ako regular TV lang eh. Kailangan pa ng ng Android TV box eh. Pa maging smart TV eh. Uy, ano to, coffee maker? Nothing in here. Okay. Tignan natin kung meron tayong magbuksan dito. Putang ina ka! Pasensya na po sa mura. Gagi, ganyan talaga ako pag pag nagugulat eh. Isang bangungot lang to, guys. Isang bangungot lang to. Wait ka. Kagi narinig ko. May narinig ako. Putik ka. May narinig ako. May narinig ako. Hindi lang ako yun. Hindi lang ako yun. Alam ko, narinig niyo yun. Kagi. Putik, close mo yan. Close mo yan. Nag-automatic ka. Baka mag-automatic. Box. Pasan tong box na to? I don't know what is this box for. It's 4 a.m. Tago na ako, tago na ako, tago na ako. Ayoko na, ayoko na. Ayoko na, guys. Ayoko na. Tulog na ako, tulog na ako dito. Tulog na ako dito. Ayoko na. Ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na. It's almost 5 a.m. Here we go, 5 a.m. na and almost 6 a.m. Wala naman tayong reflection dito sa mirror natin. Wala tayong makikita dito. Kanina nakita natin siya, tapos mayroon tayong narinig eh. Well, ganyan talaga. Papakita siya tuwing 3 a.m. I guess. Ay, 5. Another one. Another one. Okay. Eto na. Shish. Hindi na ako maggulat. Pero ang sakit talaga sa tenga. Good evening. We had some reports of strange activity in the area. Everything all right here? What kind of activity? For now, I have few questions. Have you seen any unusual activity around? Yes. May nakita kong alien sa window ko. Something is stalking me, officer. Did you see someone enter your home? Not yet. Pero nasa labas siya. I guess I did see something scary. It was red and scary. Yes. That matches what your neighbor said. Well, it seems like something is happening. We suspect someone is invading homes and rendering your neighbors into vegetative state. Well, what should I do? Gagi! If you see anything strange, for the last time, can I finish all of your sentences? Wait ka talaga. Okay, it's 1 a.m. Malapit na mag 3 a.m. guys. Uy, 3 a.m. May narinig tayo. Sarap mag-chill dito, no? Kung kasama lang yung jowa mo dito, magkatabi kayo eh. Netflix and chill tayo dito, guys. Putik ka, huwag mo gulatin pinto. Imagine mo, mga late nights, meron na nakaupo dito. Pero, question ko lang, makakaupo ba siya? Kasi, hindi na naman siya, no? Kung may bailan talaga ako dito, bailan. No! Puta ka na! Gagi. Ha? Putik ka! Nandiyan siya sa bahay ko, putang ina mo. Putik ka. Gago, nandito siya kanina. Putik ka. Come on, 6 a.m. Putik. Oh my god, yung mga sigaw ko. Ayusin ko yung mga sigaw ko. Nakaka-frightening na. Okay, night 6. Lakas ng ano ko sigaw ko dun Best ng oras. Sana ganito yung oras pag nasa school ako. Sana mayroon akong gitar na ganyan. Lead vocalist kasi ako ng banda namin eh. Boys at the back. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay. It's 3 a.m. Putik, kain na naman siya. Putik ka. Gago. Okay, I'm just staying here. Dito na lang ako. Forever, dito na lang ako. ka ng ano, anak ka ng ano. It's 4 a.m. guys, ang bilis ng oras. Bilisan mo naman, 5 a.m. Sana ganito yung bahay ko. Except ang sa mga ano, haunted house futures dito. Dito na lang ako, sa corner. I said, dito na lang ako sa corner. Hindi naman ako jumpscare dito eh. Night 7. Oh boy, this is one scary ass game. Maganda sana kung naka-face cam ako dito eh. Makikita niyo yung reaction ko eh. Okay. Hindi na ako magugulat. Nakakapingin na. Good evening. I was just passing by and noticed your lights on. May I come in? Who even are you? Sino ka ba? Just a traveler with interest in old houses. This one is incredible, do you think? It's a pretty house. Why? An air of mystery, a touch of history. Some houses have stories to tell. Do you like stories? Depends on the story. Do you have one? Perhaps another time. For now, just know that. Knock down. Ano ba yung kailangan mo? Ano ba yung kailangan mo? Kanina ka pa nag-stock eh. Napapansin ko yun eh. It's night 7. Come on, 3 nights to go. And we're set. Putang ina ka! Gagi ka, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Inayupak. Putik, nakakamuha na. Ayun na tayo sa pagmumura ko eh. Ganyan talaga pa, nagugulat ako eh. Imagine mo, dito na siya nakaupo. Ano yun? Putang ina ka! Ah! Putik, nandiyan siya! Ah! Putik ka! Ah! Dito na ako! Putik, nandiyan siya sa tabi ko! It's 4 a.m. 5 a.m. Don't worry. Hindi siya mapapakita dito ng 5 a.m. Kasi 3 a.m. siya napapakita. Tandaan nyo yan, guys. For some reason, the main suit seems like a safe place to go. Ano yung main suit? I don't know ano yung sinasabi niyo doon. Ano yung main suit? Imagine mo, pumunta siya sa kwarto natin. That would be dumb. Pwede dito na lang ako habang buhay. Wait ka. Oh boy, 3 a.m. Malapit na mag 3 a.m. Putik ka. It's 3 a.m. It's time. Saan ba siya? Oh God! Nakakilabot! Tangina! Ano yun? This is bad. Okay. Dito natin siya nakita. Hindi tayo pwede. Di tayo pwede dito, guys. Di tayo pwede dito. Nag-spawn siya. Saan ba siya nag-spawn? Punta ba ako sa taas? It's 5 a.m. I'm just gonna stay here. It's the safest place here in the house. Ang ganda talaga ng Taglish ko. Pag narinig ko yung sumisipol na yun, ano ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin, nag-spawn siya. Don't care. Because it's night 9. Here we go. Hanggang night 10 to, guys. Someone seems to be knocking at the door. Better check it out. Night 9 na. May ending ko na to. Malapit na may ending to. Hey! Woo! Hello, miss. Hey, pretty man. Got some sugar for this cutie? No way. Huwag mo sabihin ano siya dito ah. Huwag mo sabihin ano to. Prostitute.
Oh, hell no!
Sure, come in. You're so sweet. I've been watching you, you know. Dapat ano, dapat hindi ko na sinabi, putik. Dapat hindi ko na sinabi. Dapat hindi ko sinabi na papasukin kita dito, putik ka. Baka ito yung alien eh. No, I'm so simp. I'm so simple, guys. I'm so simp. Okay, that's a bit creepy. Don't be scared. I just care about you. Ano? Imagine mo, yun yung babaeng yun. Siya yung halimaw na ini-stalk ako. Tak lang yan. Putik ka! No! Gagi!
You will be asleep in bed. I will be there and watch over you. When you wake, you will not be able to move any part of you. When your doctors eventually find you, they will not see me, but you will, and I'll see you too. Forever, I'll see you.
Ulul! Walang forever! I just wanna stay here. Pasensya na guys kung medyo boring. Alam ko na gusto nyo explore yung bahay. It's already 4 a.m. Teka, pag namatay ba tayo dito, mag-restart ba sa una? As in night 1 ulit. Okay, for some reason, a toilet seems like a safe place to... Oh, what? Oh! Puti ka! Reset! No! Putik! Reset ka! Putik na 10!
Son of a bitch!
Okay, this is good. Pwede natin i-continue yung game hanggang sa night 10. Nice one. It's night 10. Finally. Someone seems to be knocking at the door. Better check it out. Ayun na naman. Wow! Okay, nagulat ako dun. Good evening again. I can't stay away. This house intrigues me. What do you want? Only a chat, but this house, it hides things, doesn't it? What are you talking about? Secrets buried deep. Shadows that whisper. Hindi ko na naman nabasa yung last part. Oh boy. I think the toilet. Yes, the toilet. Sabi daw kanina, the toilet eh. Okay, dito na ako. Dito na lang ako habang buhay. Tumatay. Narinig ko yun. Narinig ko yung hinga niya. Nawala na yung hinga niya. Oh, imagine mo. Pumunta siya dito. Dito natin siya 3 a.m. Puti ka. Dito na tayo. Ay, dito na tayo. It's 3 a.m. Dito na lang tayo. Posible na makita tayo dito. It's 4 a.m. This is the cowardly way out of this game. And the... Putang ina ka! Patay na naman ako sa YouTube nito. Wait. Ang dami ko mura. Okay, it's 5 a.m. and it's definitely ending. Yeah, it's ending, guys. It's ending. Nabubulol na naman ako. Night 11!
We've been tricked, we've been backstabbed, and we've been quite possibly bamboozled.
Are you kidding me? Hindi pa tayo tapos? 11? Are you kidding me? Okay, this is the last night. I-end ko na yung video dito. This is the last night, the final night. Kaya naman yung pare. Okay, please. Good evening, my child. I see you have been strong. How are you feeling? Still scared? It is natural to fear Feel fear, but do not let it control you. There is more to this darkness than meets the eye. How do I do that? Focus on the light within you. The Bold One, as it known, has been influencing our world for a long time. Night 11, this is the last night and we're just gonna continue the video. The next video, okay? Continue na natin pala to. Yung game na to. In the next video. Gagi, hindi ko na alam ano yung pinagsasabi ko dito. Sa sobrang takot ko. Okay, it's 1 a.m. This is the last night for today. Kung meron pa tayong night 20 di. Nang yan. Puti ka. Doon na ako sa taas. Doon na ako sa taas. Di ko na kaya to. Doon na ako sa taas. 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 Ayun na naman tayo dito, guys eh. Dito na ako. Ito yung safe place ko. 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 Bahala ka dyan. Dito na ako. Buong night 11. Dito na ako. And pasensya na guys kung hindi natin ma-explore to or matatakot ako, putik. Yagi. But this is the safest place. This is it. Safest place pala. Putik, nabubal na ako. The safest place I could find. Kung hindi nyo maintindihan yung English ko, mag-dictionary na lang kayo. Okay. Dito na ako. In the corner. Nang yan. Posible na mahanap tayo dito. It's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. na. 5 a.m. Almost there. Ayoko lumabas. Yeah. Sabihin niyo kung duwag kasi ito yung ito yung strategy pamain yung game na to. Okay, it's already 5 a.m. and night 12 and that's it for today. That's it for today's. Yeah. Next time na natin ko-continue to. Okay guys, sana na-enjoy nyo yung video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming videos. Napupulol na ako at hindi ko na alam yung pinagsasabi ko dito at napapause na rin ako. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you next time. Peace.